This time of year, coming into the autumn winter, is when a lot of people come in and ask me about rhubarb. When is the best time to split it? When is the best time to plant it? When is the best time to move it? For me, coming into spring is the best time for me. What do you think, Brian?
Rhubarb, as we know, Clem, is a perennial vegetable. It grows by short, thick rhizomes. In a mature plant that has grown over a couple of seasons, they can get very big, they can get quite clumpy. This is the reason people will want to split them or move them. To me, the ideal time, I would agree with you, is spring. It can be done in the autumn, but what you have to remain conscious of is protecting the plant when it's transplanted. So you want to make sure that planting hole is quite deep, that the plant is submerged well below the surface of the soil, and it's well mulched, because it will need protection from those winter frosts. It can be split the very same way as any herbaceous perennial. If you do so, just need to make sure you have a good clump of root in each section and you have 2 or 3 buds in each section. When you're getting it transplanted, make sure those buds are at least 2 inches below ground and mulch over. Another useful tip, Clem, with rhubarb is a lot of time people won't be able to use all the stalks that it produces for cooking. They'll have excess. Rather than cut them off and throw them into the compost heap, just leave them on the plant. Let them yellow, let them die away over the winter, and they'll transmit all that goodness back down into the mother plant.
That's a good tip.